In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Housecall Pro and Gohighlevel using Zapier. This step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process of automating your workflows seamlessly. So, let's dive in and start connecting your apps. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to Zapier's website. Zapier is a fantastic tool that allows you to automate tasks by connecting over 3,000 apps, making your work more efficient and streamlined. You can start by opening your preferred web browser and going to Zapier.com. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your Zapier account. If you're not logged in already, look at the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials to access the Zapier dashboard, which is your main hub for creating and managing Zaps. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the Zapier home, also known as the dashboard. The home screen is where you can view your existing Zaps or, in this case, begin setting up a new one. From here, look for the option labeled Zaps at the top of the page. Click on it to enter the section where you can manage your Zaps. With access to the Zaps page, you're now ready to create a new Zap. On the screen, you should see a button that says Create. Clicking this button will start the Zap creation process, guiding you through setting up an automated workflow. Now, let's focus on setting up the trigger, which is an event that starts your Zap. Click on the Trigger button and you'll be prompted to choose an app from which the trigger will stem. Since we're aiming to integrate Housecall Pro with Gohighlevel, type Housecall Pro into the search bar and select it from the drop-down list. Once done, select Housecall Pro from the list as your trigger app. This means that any actions you program will start with an event in Housecall Pro. Zapier will then prompt you to specify the type of trigger event that will kick off your automation. Typically, this could be anything from a new appointment to a customer action, depending on what you aim to automate. At this stage, you have successfully set Housecall Pro as your trigger app in Zapier. The next steps will be to set up the actions you want to occur in Gohighlevel and test your Zap to ensure everything is integrated correctly and working as intended. And there you have it. You've now connected Housecall Pro with Gohighlevel using Zapier, creating seamless automation that saves time and improves productivity. If you need further adjustments or wish to add more apps into this workflow, feel free to explore Zapier's versatile tools. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.